Now children, we will see urbanization in India. Children, what do you mean by urbanization? Urbanization, that means development of cities, development of people in terms of facilities, in terms of amenities. So already we have studied in our 9th standard that there is growing number of urban area. Rural area they are converting into urban area, understood, because of the setting up of industries, agricultural land has become reduced. Already we have studied all these things. So now we will see page number 48, urbanization in India. The level of urbanization is measured in terms of percentage of urban population to total population. So children, this figure 7.5, it is very important. I think already I have given in your examination also. So this, according to this graph, these are the questions which can come in your examination. This is very important. Underline this or tick this 7.5 figure. So learn this. You can make out from this graph. So this you are supposed to do by yourself. So I will give you, I am giving you 1 or 2 questions. So first read the graph 7.5 below and answer the following question. So like this the question will be there. First, what is the percentage of urbanization in 1961? So percentage of urbanization, that is, what is the percentage of urbanization in 1961? So see there 18, understood. So like this you are supposed to answer. Second question, in which decade was urbanization the highest? Now you are supposed to mention the year, the decade. So in which year, in which decade was urbanization the highest? That is 1971 to 1981, it was the highest. So like this you are supposed to do. Now see the geographical explanation. It is clear from the above graph that the growth of urbanization in India has been slow. The level of urbanization in India in 2011 was 31.16%, which is quite low in comparison to developed country. At the same time, the population, urban population is increasing. Expansion of urban sectors and emergence of new towns have played a significant role in the growth of urban population and urbanization in our country. Understood? What is the factor, children, why the urbanization was slow? A level of urbanization in 2011 was 31.16, which is quite low in comparison to developed country. See children, developed country already their urbanization, growth of urbanization is more. Our country, there are so many several factors which is responsible for the slow rate of urbanization. First, unemployment. Second, growing number of population, growth of population, less employment opportunities, literacy level is also less. So these some are the factors which is responsible for the low graph in urbanization compared to developed countries, understood. So at the same time the urban population is increasing, population though it is increasing, but urban population is growing at a slow pace, understood. Urbanization has been more in southern part than in northern part of in India. Goa is the most urbanized state with 62% population living in urban area. Delhi is more than 80% urban. In the state of Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Kerala, urbanization is more. Understood? Now next, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir and Uttarakhand, Bihar, Rajasthan are some of the state with low level of urbanization. See children, urbanization mainly depend upon the literacy level. So here employment opportunities or literacy level. So if all this where the urban population rate is more, that is the places where literacy level is more, employment opportunities is more. So that is why the percentage of urbanization is more, and where the literacy level, the other factors, less employment opportunities, here topographic condition, geographical climatic condition, urbanization is less, understood. So the people from these places where urbanization is less, they are flocking towards the places or area where urbanization is more, where the growth level is more, understood. See the example Jammu Kashmir, where it is very difficult to have number of employment opportunities, literacy level is also very less because of the political situation also. So, we can relate to some many factors which is responsible for the less urbanization. If we will take the example of Delhi, if we will take example of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala, so these are the places where literacy level is already high, understood. These are the places where the employment opportunity is more because of the urbanization, understood. So, here the percentage is more. Delhi, why the people, maximum people they are flocking towards these places, Delhi, Mumbai, because of more facilities, because of more employment opportunities, education, so medical facilities. So, these are the factors which is responsible for the urbanization in these places, and as it is higher in these places due to these conditions, understood.